Imagine walking into a backyard where each step feels grounded, warm, and beautifully natural. A simple stone pathway can completely transform even the smallest garden, adding charm, flow, and a feeling of quiet coziness. Hello friends, welcome to Garden Glow, your space for mindful and inspiring garden ideas. Today, we're exploring Natural Stone Pathway Small Garden Design Ideas 2025. Cozy backyard vibes. A stone pathway doesn't need to be complicated. Start with natural shapes, irregular stones, stepping slabs, or soft-edged pebbles. Their imperfect beauty brings calmness and connects your garden to the earth. Lay them with gentle spacing so the pathway feels organic and welcoming, not rigid or crowded. Surround your stones with soft greens. Low ground covers, moss, or small ferns create a soothing contrast. The roughness of stone meets the softness of nature. This balance brings a peaceful, zen-like atmosphere to any backyard. Keep your colors grounded. Natural grays, warm browns, and earthy tones blend perfectly into the landscape. A simple palette keeps the space clean and uncluttered, adding to the cozy vibe. If your garden is tiny, a short winding path can make it feel bigger. Curves invite the eye to travel slowly, giving a sense of depth and calm. Add a small seating area at the end, a wooden bench, a single chair, or even a stone step, to create a quiet corner for tea, reading, or reflection. Lighting is the final touch. Place soft solar lights along the edges or add a warm lantern nearby. In the evening, the stones glow gently, creating a magical, peaceful mood. A natural stone pathway brings structure and serenity to any backyard. It guides movement, adds character, and turns even simple spaces into cozy outdoor retreats. Like, share, and subscribe to Garden Glow for more calm, creative, and nature-inspired garden design idea.